Ask an Expert, Episode 4.
For the sake of you and your family's health, time, and money, the simple answer is no. Here's why. Giving your plants too much crap can cause crappy growth because of excessive levels of nitrogen, ammonia burn, and salt damage to the roots, which might cause you to replace all of your soil.
So you can use manure if you follow these suggestions. Never apply it to growing food crops. Do not leave manure on the soil surface. Apply fresh manure in the fall and mix it into the soil at least 6 to 8 inches deep. Let this rest for a minimum of 3 months before planting anything and wait 6 months to start harvesting. Composted manure has been heated to a minimum of 145 degrees, which kills off pathogens, potential weed seeds, and is dramatically lower in salt and ammonia content. Plus, there are so many other free ways to amend your soil. Just ask us about it.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.